All right, so you guys know how I'm always talking about like free water. Check this one out. Side of the road, Montana. There's a spigot with fresh water. Well, hey everybody. It's time for another adventure because we should always adventure when we can. So this adventure starts just about an hour west of Helena, Montana. This one is going to the Aspens in Colorado for fall. Because, you know, why not? Last year we did Maine for I did Maine for fall. Clifford and I, maybe that's the we. Clifford and I did the Maine for fall last year. And my friend Phil was like, you should go see the Aspen for fall, but you know, I was already headed that way. So this year, it's time for the Aspens. So let's get started. So I would definitely say that this is probably a mountain bike trail that I'm not riding a mountain bike on. Very bumpy. See how well it goes. Let's go. All right, I gotta be honest, like this trail just ain't doing it for me. I got about 2.5 miles in and it's just flat, bumpy, not really exciting. So I'm gonna head into Missoula and do the river trail, which is way better. I've done that once before. I think I'm close enough. Let's go do that. Okay, I am back from the gravelly, bumpy road to go find a paved one because that's what my bike likes. Let's go. Okay, we got to the next ride point. Let's go see what this trail has to offer. Okay, this is much smoother. Okay, that was better. That was like, I don't know, 3 miles or so to here, so ton ride back, but very smooth ride. I feel definitely better. Let's go. I don't know if you guys have ever done the river trail in Missoula. It's a good trail. I'm glad that I came and did this. Let's keep going. That was a pretty great ride. So let's go see if we can find some dinner. That sounds amazing, right? Not too bad, Missoula. You know, 2 bike rides in one day made me think that maybe a shower before dinner was a good idea. Let's go see how this one does in Missoula. Hey, that's really hot. Okay, Missoula Planet Fitness. That was a very nice hot shower. Now let's get dressed and go see what kind of food we can find downtown. So let's pay for parking, and apparently it's free after 5. Awesome. I think Thai food is the winner. All right, that was pretty good. Just the right amount of spicy to make my nose run. Let's go find somewhere to camp. Well, all right, that was a fun, exciting first day, I think, of this adventure. You know, Montana is fantastic, isn't it? It's so beautiful. And then finding that water on the side of the mountain was just very, very cool. Filled the camper, and that was awesome. All right, I'm in my favorite camping spot when I'm in a city, a Cracker Barrel. So that means tomorrow's breakfast will be definitely here because you got to pay your nomad rent. But whew, I am tired from all that exercise, so I'm gonna get some sleep and I'll catch you guys up in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. It's chilly here. It's around 40. Whew. But Montana is amazing. All right, let's go get some breakfast. All right, my Cracker Barrel rent was delicious as always. Let's get camp packed up and get out of here. Man, check out these amazing rigs I just saw here at the Cracker Barrel. This one's really awesome. Things you see while out on the road. Time to get more of that Costco gas. All right, let's go get this fitness on. Okay, whew, what a workout. Let's go get cleaned up. Okay, so now that I'm all cleaned up, let's go to the next chore of the day, the laundry. Okay, laundry is done. Let's go start heading towards those leaves. Isn't Montana just fantastic? It is so incredibly beautiful here, and no wonder it's called Big Sky Country. Let's see what else is out there. So I've been like driving down whatever road this is, I'll tell you guys I guess later, and in Montana, and I've been like driving parallel to this bike trail, and I just finally had to stop and look it up. It's called the Bitterroot Trail. It's 51 miles and it has just views like this most of the way. I mean, fantastic. So thought I'd share that with you. Let's keep going. And this is US 93. So I just saw this sign. What do you say? Let's go check it out. Almost there. All right, so this is why we go and explore. So I passed like a couple places on the way here. I'm not gonna stay here, but it was like a whole bunch of tree stumps. So let's go check that out. And yes, that was just as fun as it looked. Whoo! Whatever this place is, it's awesome. I don't know what's up with all the like tree stumps, but very fun. All right, let's see what's next. All right, we're out of that state park. You know what that means? It's drone time. Well, all right. Like, I'm super glad that I went to like check out this painted rocks thing randomly. That was amazing. Got some good drone footage. It's a great day. All right, so the sun is setting. Let's go see what's next. And just like that, we're back in Idaho. All right, let's go see what we can find next. Hello, dear. Not sure if you guys are going to be able to see that, but there's a huge buck over there. Isn't Idaho just so much more than potatoes? Wow. Well, hey everybody, that was an exciting day. Very, very pleased with that state park that randomly, just found those really cool green rocks. Like, very amazing. The tree stumps, which I still don't understand exactly why that's going on, but hey, it was still really cool. So I'm parked right now very close to where I camped with my brother for 2 nights about a month ago. It's amazing. And of course I see the Milky Way. Now this time I have some new equipment, so I'm trying to record it right now. So hopefully that'll be amazing. So camp set up, middle of nowhere. Just made some fantastic dinner. So I'm gonna eat this happy dinner, process some video a little bit, and definitely get some sleep. And hopefully when we wake up tomorrow morning, we'll have some amazing stars to look at. Until then, good night. Well, good morning. Weren't those stars amazing last night? Whew, I am very, very pleased with how that turned out. Way better than the last time I did that. So I'll definitely be trying that again for a little longer one. Okay, so here in Idaho, which of course is amazing, gonna venture into Wyoming today, but that's gonna be for another episode. So we're gonna go ahead and close this one, Clifford and I, because of course that's the we, and catch you guys up when we see you. Until then, hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Let's get some sleep. I'll talk to you guys in